Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. It's Bilal Khalid. Guys, in front of you HP LaserJet Pro M402n printer, and right on the screen printer is showing that out bin is full, remove all papers from, and there is no paper in the out bin. You can see there is no paper. So first of all, you must know that this output bin paper path should be flexible like this, okay? And after also, if it's flexible and even is showing the message out bin is full, so where is located the sensor? Today I'm going to teach you where is the sensor, and you have to disassemble the printer, the right side, left side, and top cover and back cover also. So the sensor is located for out bin path is over here. If I will close a bit, I will show you. Here is the sensor inside this there is sensor, it's inside over here. So what I will do, just we need a contact cleaner. You can find it any electronic shop. I have right now, this is electric cleaner. So first of all, after this method, if it's fine and it's showing the same message over here, we have to disconnect the power, and then we will throw a little spray inside, and then we will check back again. Okay guys, I throw the already spray a bit on this sensor right attached with this main board. I put a little spray inside, okay, and now we will turn it on and we'll see that if there is a message or not. Guys, printer is booting up and still it's showing that out bin is full, remove paper. So this sensor that I mentioned earlier, this sensor need to be replaced. So we have to change this all complete board because sensor is built in with the board. Small board, we have to find it and we have to replace this small board. Only this is a sensor and this is the paper out path. Everything we tried, and still there is a problem, is remaining the same problem. So must need to be replaced the sensor. If you have any other solution, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. All the best.